The circle of fifths is the musician's periodic table. Once you see it in a circle, everything starts making sense. It's all 12 notes of Western music arranged in a circle in a very specific order. Go clockwise, and each step is a perfect fifth higher, hence circle of fifths. Go counterclockwise, and each step is a fifth lower. Now, if you look closely, we're actually moving 7 half steps, so where's the 5 in that? In music, when we say a perfect fifth or just a fifth, we're talking about the distance between letter names C to G. That's 7 half steps apart, just one of those things to remember. So what can we do with this circle? First, it's your key signature cheat sheet. Start at C, you have no sharps and no flats here, and each step clockwise adds 1 sharp. Each step counterclockwise adds 1 flat. So if you see 3 sharps in a key signature, count 3 steps clockwise, you land on A major. Each major key also has a relative minor inside the circle. A major pairs with F sharp minor, C major with A minor. They share the exact same notes, just a different starting point. The circle also shows how keys relate. Neighboring keys share almost every note, so moving between them creates smooth, natural modulations. It's also useful for chord progressions. Moving around the circle sounds smooth and connected, while big jumps across it sound bold and surprising. The circle of fifths is the roadmap behind almost all Western harmony. Use it for writing smooth chord progressions, modulating between keys, and understanding key signatures instantly. If you want to dive deeper, check out David Bennett's video or the Berkeley article I used for research. And if this video helped you finally get it, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want cheat sheets, dubs, and extra resources, you can grab them on my Patreon or join our Discord community to chat with other musicians and ask questions.